Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, a computer, or a tablet, they constantly move around where the settings are to deactivate your account. But I'm going to walk you through a foolproof way to be able to deactivate it, no matter what device you're on and what the settings looks like on your phone. Now, open up the Instagram app, again on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Go to Instagram.com. Tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Account Center at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom. Tap on Manage next to your Instagram account. And there is deactivation or deletion. However, if your settings look different from this and you don't see that, another easy way to access it is to go back just to your settings, tap on the search bar at the top, and search for DEL, and it will pop up with deactivation or deletion. Just tap on that, tap on Instagram, and then choose deactivate your account. Keep in mind, follow these next steps closely because it will default to reactivating your account without you necessarily knowing it, so you need to make some changes. Choose deactivate account, tap on continue at the bottom, scroll down, tap on continue at the bottom, enter in the password for your Instagram account. Let me autofill my password. Tap continue. Scroll down. Tap on any one of these. Tap continue. Scroll down. And here is the trick. It says automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. Tap on that and instead scroll down and choose Don't Reactivate Automatically. This will allow you to manually reactivate whenever you're ready instead of just automatically reactivating after a certain set point. Tap on Done at the bottom. Tap on Continue. And then just when you're ready, tap on the blue Deactivate button and your account will be fully deactivated. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.